Good morning. This is Rome again, your numerologist. As I mentioned in my third and fourth blog, that I want you to compare your life path with your husband or boyfriend to know some of the details when it comes to numerology. First, your life path. I mentioned how you're gonna do it. It's something like this. Okay, this is the month, this is the day, and this is the year. And you bring it down the 8, and for the 12, 1 plus 2 is 3. And for 1977, 1 plus 9 is considered as 1. There is no such thing as 0. And 7 plus 4 is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5. And then you add this again, which is 11, which is 1 plus 1 is 2. And 1 plus 5 is 6. Now you add this again. So it will become 2 plus 6 is 8. Your life path is 8. I mentioned the meaning of what is 8. Now what you're gonna do is, you look at the numbers. How many 1 you have this in triangle? Reverse triangle. How many 1? There are 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. So there are 1, 3. How about 2? 1 and 2. How about 3? 1. How about 4? There's no 4. We call that recessive energy. 5, you got 1. 6, you got 1. And 7, you got 2. 8 is 3. And 9. If you have more than 2 in your number, that we call it dominant energy. And that is the most important. Also, the receive energy, you must have to discover that energy. Now, you do the same with your boyfriend. And I'm sure what you have, some of the energy that you have, he has, but some of them you don't have, vice versa. That's why the attraction is very strong if your life path is 8, as I told you, 2, 4, and 8. Those are the attractive energies to attract each other. Now, the second one, as I mentioned, it's only 40% compatibility. Now, how about your life cycle? To compute your life cycle, for instance, like this is just a fictitious birthday. Your life path is 8. Now, for 36, you put 36. You have to subtract 8. That will be 28. So, your first cycle is from 0 to 28. That is the age you have. You have an energy of 2. And the second cycle will be, you start from 29 to 38. And the second cycle is 9. Now, your third cycle of life, this is, you add 2 plus 9 is 11. 11, we call that a master number. There are only 2 master numbers, 11 and 22. And I will mention it to you, all this, in the following video. And the fourth cycle, 49 onward, and your cycle, the fourth cycle will be the 5. Now, you have learned the life path, the life cycle, and the dominant energy and the recessive energies. Well, I'll give you also, in my next blog, the corresponding numbers of all the letters, so that you can compare your name and the birthday of your husband or your boyfriend. I will also mention to you the life expression, your heart desire, because all of us, we have what we call the persona, which is our mask. Actually, that's not ours. It's how the people look at you, look at us. That is our mask. We call that in numerology persona. And the physical, emotional, mental, intuitive, karmic, attitude, and maturity. Now, what are the numbers? Well, if you have done already the name, that is the spiritual side of life, and your birthday is a material side of life. If you already put corresponding numbers for every letters of your original name, don't put the fictitious name because it doesn't count. Only the original name in your birthday, in your birthday that was listed. Okay. Now, what are the numbers that correspond your physical? You look at the 4 and 5. Okay. That, and then you, how many 4 and how many 5? And the emotional numbers are 3, 2, and 6. Those are the emotional numbers. And for the mental numbers is 1 and 8. And then your intuitive number is 7 and 9. That completes your 4. Physical, emotional, mental, and intuitive. Okay. I hope you like it, my blog. And I do hope you share if you are satisfied, like, or make a comment. Make a comment so I will read what is your comments are to improve me in my blog. Again, thank you and have a nice day. Bye.
Alam mo, din isulat mo dyan sa harapan mo yung don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, yung tatlo na yun. Kasi may isa nakakalimutan.
Okay.
Sabihin sila eh.
Ay, tapos na eh.
Hindi, yun nga, isulat mo dyan sa harapan mo sa papel. So,